lot of times Autobody videos are uploaded in separate parts and you don't get to see the whole picture. So today we're going to go back to the basics and cover from start to finish the main series of repair steps that almost every dent, scratch, or nick goes through. These methods were taught to me by my dad and body shops that I worked in. And if I used them correctly, I never had an issue with sand scratches, Bondo falling out, paint chipping off, and so on. So the first step is to blow the area clean and wipe it down with wax and grease remover. And this is just a piece of metal with paint on it, but we're going to pretend it's the side of a car or something like that. And we'll get it real good with some wax and grease remover. Make sure it's clean. And we're ready for the repair. And that's good. We're going to repair that ding right there. Here's a close-up shot of that ding. Next is to grind the area clean with a 36 grit or 40 grit fiber resin disc. Next is the filler. And that should do it. Before it hardens up like a brick, we'll use a cheese grater to cut down on work and dust. Then some sharp 36 grit or 40 grit on a block. Now for some 80 grit. Here's an up-close shot of the sand scratches that can show up in a paint job, so the next step is to DA sand with 120 grit. After the 120 grit, we can DA sand out further with 220 grit or a scuff pad so that we don't get primer on shiny paint. And we're going to leave these marks in here just for the sake of the video. I only want to put primer like right to here. Next is 2 to 3 coats of primer surfacer. After the primer dries, we'll give it a guide coat of black spray bomb paint, block sand it with some 120 grit, prime it again, finish sand it, and paint it. Finish up the edges with some 220 grit. Now the final coat of primer. This will be our second coat of finish sanding primer. We'll be finish sanding with 240 grit on a DA. If needed, you can touch up any bare metal spots with some spray bomb primer just before painting. Finally, make sure the panel is dust free and you're ready for paint. And that's it. These are the steps used in almost every auto body repair from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed this summary video on the most important steps for trouble-free auto body repairs. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.